Hi guys, welcome back to Alphamantraining.com. Amazing thing happening. We saw a little drunk girl. She was after a bar, and I said to a client to just approach here and try this technique to kiss her. Talk, do some kind of things and make out with her instantly. And he did that. It was insane to watch. Amazing. And in that way, client passed his boundaries. He never thought that he can make out with a girl once he approached, and today he did that, and it just blowed his mind, because when a girl is a little bit drunk and she's after a bar, she can do that. He did that. It was awesome to watch. So you can achieve everything. It's a link below. All products with 40% discount. You can see the products list, what are waiting. Invest, never afraid, and I'm waiting you on customers list. See you.